In Telangana, Prime Minister Narendra Modi spoke of the super hit film RRR while attacking Chief Minister Revanth Reddy. The Prime Minister said that the Telugu film industry gave the nation a brilliant film called RRR, but that the Congress government in Telangana has imposed a double RRR tax on the people of the state, saying Congress is looting Telangana.
तेलुगु फिल्म इंडस्ट्री ने भारत को ट्रिपल आर जैसी सुपरहिट फिल्म दी, लेकिन आज तेलंगाना कांग्रेस ने राज्य के लोगों को डबल आर टैक्स दे दिया है। ट्रिपल आर फिल्म ने पूरी दुनिया में भारत का नाम रोशन किया, लेकिन ये डबल आर टैक्स भारत के लिए शर्मिंदगी बढ़ा रहा है।
Well, let's go across to Uma now. And Uma, the Prime Minister, talking about the super hit RRR film when attacking Revanth Reddy. Give us more details.
So it's interesting, political time and therefore catchy phrases are in, and the Prime Minister using perhaps one of the most popular films of all times, RRR, that won international acclaim, and in a sense bringing a parallel to RR, which is Revanth Reddy, and he's talking about the allegation that the BJP has been making for quite some time now, ever since the Congress formed the government in Telangana, is that it has become the ATM for the Congress in Delhi. This is what Mr. Amit Shah as well as the Prime Minister have been repeatedly saying whenever they come to Telangana, saying that Revanth Reddy has become that ATM for Telangana. The connection that they were making is that BRS, which is a party which has been considered a rich party and which is known to have resources, that the investigation against the BRS in terms of whether it was the Kaleshwaram project or whether it is in terms of the Dharni project or in the terms of the phone tapping, on which a lot of heat was generated before the elections and immediately after elections on phone tapping. Both Mr. Amit Shah and the Prime Minister have said that the Congress government here seems to be going slow on it, and that's the reason why we are no longer hearing about what's happened in that particular investigation. And they have been linking it to funding for the elections and saying that Revanth Reddy is in fact generating that kind of a money for the Congress party at the centre. What I must point out is that Revanth Reddy's own supporters would think this as something politically, in a sense, should I say, raising the profile of Revanth Reddy. Some of those people who I was speaking to earlier spoke about, in fact, the summons being issued to a Revanth Reddy in the fake video case. Of course, the officers said that they have not yet physically received the summons, but the fact that the Chief Minister's name was mentioned by sources in Delhi to our colleague Neeta. And the second part of it now, once again talking about an RR tax. Very clearly, Revanth Reddy has emerged as quite a star campaigner for the Congress party. His articulation skills, especially in Telugu, are quite impressive. He seems to be able to draw the crowds and create an impact, and they see that as something that could affect the chances of the other parties, whether it's the BJP or the Congress or the BRS in this case. So what I must point out is that the Congress party is now aiming to win, at least they say, 14 seats. Unless the Congress is able to win 8 to 9 seats, Revanth Reddy knows that within his own party in Telangana, the knives could be out for him, and that's one reason he's pushing hard. Even before the assembly elections, we saw he was the biggest campaigner from Telangana here, wherever the national leaders, whether Priyanka Gandhi or Mr. Kharge or Rahul Gandhi came, he would always be accompanying them, and even otherwise he was campaigning. Now that he has developed a bigger profile, he's the one who is going everywhere, and it's almost as though in several of those seats it is Revanth Reddy who's pitted against the candidate either of the BJP, BRS not being in the race, so therefore in the BJP in many senses, and perhaps that is what in a sense the Prime Minister is targeting and trying to blunt that kind of a campaign, sharp campaign that Revant Reddy is launching. Even yesterday, in reaction
Right.
to the reported summons that the Chief Minister was going to receive, Revant Reddy had once again from Karnataka, where he was campaigning, spoken about ED or IT or CBI being used as agencies and saying that he is not among those who's going to be scared away by this, that he's someone who replies and retorts, and that's what he's going to be doing. So he's very combative in that sense. And this attack
Right.
from the Prime Minister, not anything new, but the phraseology perhaps is quite new. Back to you.